Hello there, welcome back to Lemon Lane Cottage. It's Sunday afternoon and I normally like to spend it in a slow way, just getting a thing or two ready for the upcoming week. Today I have started some sourdough bread, so I'm going to get that on the next phase, which is just basically getting it ready to go into loaves for the final rise. And I also am going to dry some cilantro. I actually went to the store, purchased a bunch of cilantro thinking I was going to can salsa, and the time got away from me. No surprise there. And so I need to do something with it. It was on sale, so I'm going to go ahead and give it a good washing because I did not grow it myself, and normally I only like to preserve things I grow myself, but we all know that's not always feasible. We just, the timing is wrong, the garden is wrong, whatever. So I have a solution of actually doTERRA hand soap, vinegar, and about 20 drops of lemon essential oil that I keep in a pump by the sink. I have labeled it as a veg wash, and normally I will just fill up. I have an enamel bowl. I'll just fill it with water, a couple of pumps from this, put all my produce in there, let it kind of rinse in there and sit for maybe 10-15 minutes, and then I will give it a good strain, wash it off really good, let it air dry, and it's ready for the week. So that is what I did with the cilantro. And since cilantro does not freeze well, and if you know a way that it does, please share it with me. I'm going to go ahead and dry it, and then I have it to use for those emergencies where I just need that little taste of cilantro. I've even actually used it in salsas as dried, and it works in a pinch. So, and then the last thing I'm going to do is actually make vanilla. We all know vanilla is so expensive. Baking season, believe it or not, will be upon us before you know it. So I'm going to go ahead and make my very own vanilla. I purchased this container at a thrift store. It's actually 16 ounces. I purchased vanilla beans from Amazon, and then I purchased the cheapest vodka I could find, 80 proof, from my local grocery store, because the vanilla is the star, not the vodka. I'm not going to be making a mixed drink with it. So I went ahead and purchased that, and I'm going to put this together. It takes 6 months to really steep to get its full potential. So we're in July. By December, I think I can cheat and we will be close enough. So it sounds like a lot, but really it isn't. It's just really slow, enjoyable, busy work in the kitchen. And then I'll pour myself a cup of tea, sit with a magazine or a book, and I am done for the day. I do not cook on Sundays. It is the one day of the week that we actually go grab a bite. Just want to take a minute to thank you all for being flexible. My creative brain keeps tweaking things, and I think I'm kind of liking this slow living vibe that the channel has right now. So for the near future, this is the style of video that I will be doing. I hope that it relaxes you. I hope that it inspires you to get out and try something new, and maybe I can teach you something. So leave me a comment. Are you enjoying these videos? And be kind. If you're not, just say more garden tours or something, and I will be sure and include one of those every now and again. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. And as always, thanks for stopping by.